So today I want to teach you now how to make oven baked chin chin, oven baked chin chin. This recipe, this recipe now ogbonge recipe. Not be those recipe where you will just try. You go dey say why I even waste my ingredients? This one not go be like that. So just make sure say the way I your tell you the thing, just dey follow am. Inside bowl you go see flour. So if you see flour first, even the sugar wey you wan use, that sugar you go make sure say you sieve am. So inside cup now you go put milk. Inside that milk too, add water to am. Use your spoon take mix am well. Take mix am make the milk dissolve inside the water. So if the milk don dissolve inside the water, you go come add another water inside. You add another water inside, you still mix am again. So make the thing mix together. So inside that sugar wey you sieve now, you go come add that milk mixture inside. This one na there the work dey o. You go dey mix am, mix am, mix am. Just continue to dey mix am like that. Dey mix am, whether na mix you dey mix am or na stir you dey stir am. Just dey stir am like that. Make sure say the sugar dissolve wella wella wella. So inside that your flour wey you sieve now, you go come add baking powder or you add salt to all the flavour wey you wan use. The powder flavour you go add am, your preservative you go add am, nutmeg too you go add am, cinnamon sef e dey there. So inside that your sugar mixture now, you go come add coconut flavour inside. You go just stir am small. So we go come back to that flour again. After you don add all those things wey I mention, just make sure say you use your spatula or if na your hand, you use am take mix am together. You come add margarine. Here again, you go still make sure say you mix am well o. Use your two hands dey bring the flour together, dey rub am, dey rub am, dey rub am, dey rub am. Just make sure say you rub am well. You rub am. If you don rub am well, e go come be like say the thing be like garri. You no go dey too much dey see all those margarine inside again. Just make sure say you do wetin I tell you o. If you do am well, you go get the desired result wey you want. So if you don do that one finish, still remember say that our milk mixture with sugar, you go come add egg inside. So if you add egg inside, so you go still use spoon mix am together again. So when you mix am together again, you go come pour am inside that flour mixture. But before you pour am, make sure say you make hole inside the middle. Then you come use your two hand dey bring am together. Dey bring am. So dey bring am, you go dey press am. So dey bring am, you go dey press am together. So make sure say you do am well well so that everything go combine wella. So if you don combine wella, you come fold your hand like say you wan give your enemy blow. So that blow now, you come dey use am take dey press am, dey press am, dey press am. Since you like those people wey no get machine, na this one be the kneading process o. But work dey here o, my brother, my sister, I no go lie. So if you don do am like that, you do am, you turn am to the other side too, you do am. So after you don do am, you go just roll them to form ball. Just do am the one wey you know say you go fit roll at a time. No go dey do all those big big ball wey go take time to roll and cut. So you go just do am. After you do am now, inside the bowl, you go come keep am inside for like 20 to 25 minutes. You don reach, you leave am make e rest. Make e rest, we rest now. So the tray wey you wan use take bake am, you go brush am with margarine. If you don brush am, you go come put baking paper. Put baking paper on top. Any pieces of tray wey you wan use, whether na two, whether na three, the same thing na you go do for all of them. So for your work surface now, you go just sprinkle flour, bring the chin chin dough. So you go come dey roll am with your rolling pin. This guy wan misbehave here before, but I tell am say I senior am for this work. So na so I roll am o, I roll am. I roll am, I go flip am to the other side, I go roll am. So the first thing you go just cut am into long stripe first, cut everything like that. You see the way I dey do am, so the thing dey sweet o as you dey look am. So you come cut the cubes. So after you don cut the cubes, na so you go take do all of them. You go cut am like that. You go come use scraper take pack am, take arrange am for the tray. This guy be dey misbehave here, na so I rub flour, him head correct, straight straight straight. So we go pack everything. So after you don do all of them finish, you go come bake am for inside oven wey you don heat before o. Abeg no put am inside cold oven. Do am at least let the heat dey low the first time. Later if e don dey done small, you go come high am. And the chin be this, the chin bake well, e no burn like that. Just dey okay, very very okay, very very okay. Na the chin be this. So make sure say you try am o. And if you get any question wey you wan ask me o. Ask me the question o. Ask me the question, no just no keep quiet to yourself.